Welcome back, guys. Today I am with a new recipe, street style pav bhaji. This is one of the most favorite delicacies. So let's take a look at the ingredients. Let's begin. In a kadai, we are heating it up and adding some oil. You can also make this in a flat pan if you have one large enough. Now once the oil is heated, we'll add finely chopped onions. Here I have taken 2 to 3 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. Saute these onions very well. Adding some asafoetida or hing, this gives a very good flavor to the bhaji. Mix it well and let the onions cook for about a minute. Now as you can see, they have become a little translucent, whitish pink. Now to this we'll add the homemade ginger garlic and chili paste, almost 2 tablespoons. You have to cook this paste till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic goes away. It will turn a little brownish. As you can see, it has turned brownish, the raw taste has gone away, no smell. Next, adding in some finely chopped capsicum, which is 1 to 2 medium sized or 2 to 3 small sized capsicums. Next, adding in tomato puree. I have added 1 small onion and a few cashew nuts to this to make it creamier. You can also add a little bit of chili flakes or dried red chilies to give it a good color. Now mix this well. You have to cook this till it leaves oils on the sides. Cover it up with the lid and cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now as you can see, it has started leaving oil on the sides. It looks very creamier. Give it some good mix. Next we will add all the spices. So here goes 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric, some coriander cumin powder, some garam masala powder, some red chili powder. This depends on your taste. Next, adding the most important ingredient, pav bhaji masala. That's almost a tablespoonful of pav bhaji masala. Mix it well, let the spices cook for a bit. Next, we're gonna be adding the veggies. The veggies are boiled and then mashed. You can boil the veggies in a cooker. Here the boiled veggies are green peas, potatoes, cauliflower and 1 small beetroot for giving color to the recipe. Mash them quite well and then mix with the masala that we have prepared. You can also fry these veggies and then boil them. This will give a good texture to the gravy and also a great flavor. Now I'm again mashing it along with the masala that we have prepared so that it gets mixed very properly and there are no large size lumps of potato. Now adding in 100 to 200 ml of water. You can add water as much as you need. You have to cook this on medium to high flame. Stir the water properly. You can adjust the consistency as per your need. Next, adding in a spoonful of salt to taste. Now cover this up with the lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now the gravy is well boiled and cooked. You can again add water at this stage if you want, but I like this kind of consistency, as I'm not going to add water to it. Your pav bhaji is ready. Next, adding in some finely chopped coriander leaves for garnish. Also, you can sprinkle some pav bhaji masala over it and garnish it with butter, pav, fried in masala, and some onion and lemon to taste. So, here it is, a complete final recipe. Do like and share and subscribe if you like. Also, comment for more. See ya.